bricklayer. Come on, Gandoliva, who are $1. Anna,
Rufus, what is this nonsense? Why do you always sing this song whenever you see me?
Because the song is meant for you. The song is meant for you. That is why anytime I see you, men you take improve. You begin to rejoice me when you want.
Well, at least I am better than a jobless vagabond like you. Why are you making caricature of my job? You better stop it.
What did you call job? Okay, Messipono, caricature of your job. What make it jam English? Which job? Job we call this. We have a job. I'm going to make it jam English. Look at the kind of stupid English you are speaking to me. Your English ends in carpentry. English English. Come na pum pum. What will I hear mas? So go and see people that use their English to manufacture something. You will English. You got what you say. She gonna hang on. Look at what Kemela Lume. Nanya Bakadibia.
I don't blame you. This your stupidity will never end.
Now listen, let me advise you. Your senior brother is up to something. Yes! My spirit is telling me that he's up to something. So you have to open your eyes now, because our temptation could before you need to, you will say that my prophecy have been prophesied. I have prophesied to you. Use my word and do something. Be careful of your brother.
Come on, Kushon again. I want to marry him again. I'm not here. I got to engage together.
Hey, I'll put Okum Nadio. I'll put Okum Nadi, any good suggestion. Yana Pagabanati. Epilen opinion on him. Yana Pugakuni, because I say opinion of the one pigeon. Suggestion of one Sega and Sega. I have carried the whole of suggestion I have in me. Sega and Iman, Yana Bagan Katakate. One benta, resort are poor. Resort to Papa. Mbahia meg again. Vamnanya, Nim Gagrogo. Oh, meneg, Vamnanya. Oh, menego, Vamnanya. But one neggy, jiggy, go, okay, meg, Vamnanya. Hey, Capinta, okay, meg, Vam. Cow, happy. Capinta, okay, meg, Vamnanya. One neg, okay, jiggy, go, okay, meg, Vamnanya. Oh, meneg, Vam. I couldn't